Can the government force you to give up your language? Can a minority community open its own school and run it freely? And can the state deny admission only because of religion? The answer lie in Article 29 and Article 30 of the Indian Constitution. Today, I will make these two articles crystal clear because UPSC loves to confuse them. Stay focused. This is a high scoring area. So, let's discuss first about Article 29. Article 29 is related to protection of interest of minority. Actually, this article protect the interest of particular section of citizen. This article is not totally based on religion, such as minority religion according to Indian laws, Muslims, Sikhs, Jain, and many more. Approx 6 religion is a minority status, but Article 29 is totally different. The core idea of Article 29 is to protect language, script, and culture. Actually, it says any section of citizen. Very important. Here is a very important line section of citizens. Any sections of citizens residing in India having a distinct language, script, or culture has the right to conserve the same. Here is the main important point is related to identity. Constitution of India wants to protect the identity of Indian minorities, Indian communities. Article 29 is not only for minorities. It applies to any section of citizens. This is where UPSC traps students. Any section of citizen, even a majority group in a state can claim protection if they have distinct culture. Let's assume some important examples. First important example is related to Karnataka. A group in Karnataka speaks a rare tribal language. Then this group can protect its tribal identity, such as folk dance, drama, or maybe some language. Another point, the government tries to close their cultural school. If government doing this, they can invoke Article 29 to protect their language and culture. Understand? So, any majority group in North India, if going to South India, then this majority group, section of citizen in South India is called minority. And this minority can claim protection under Article 29. Understand language, script, and culture. Understand? Now let's move Article 29 Clause 2 is related to admission protection. No citizen shall be denied admission into any educational institution maintained by the state or receiving state aid on the ground of religion, race, caste, and language. Here is directly given that citizens can't be discriminated based on language. Any citizen can take admission to majority group or minority group. Minority group means any minority institution such as Muslim Aligarh Muslim University. So no citizen shall be denied on the basis of religion, race, caste, and language. No discrimination in admission. This applies to all citizen, not just for minority. Now let's move Article 30. Article 30 is related to right of minorities to stabilize institution. Very important article. To stabilize minority institution. Now, Article 30 gives minorities to right stabilize educational institution or administer it, but is depend on three important things. One is related to government giving aid or giving any type of fund. Another only aid but not administer. And third important point, government can't cannot give any fund or any administration. So this is totally autonomous. But some law applied here, such as labor law and all. But these institutions can follow different syllabus, but under the scrutiny of central government. The core idea of Article 30 is specifically for religious minority and linguistic minority. Simple example, a Christian minority community wants to open a college. They want to appoint teachers according to their institutional policy. Under Article 30, they can stabilize and administer that institution. Understand? Now, here is a glitch. Can government regulate minority institution? Yes, government can impose reasonable regulation, maintain academic standard, but cannot destroy minority character. Supreme Court many number of times says that minority character can't be destroyed. So destruction of minority character is a type of violation according to Supreme Court of India. Take away management control completely, it's also when. Now we will discuss difference between Article 29 and Article 30. Actually, Article 29 protect any citizen of India, any section of citizen, such as protection of language, script, and culture. While Article 30 protect minority educational institution. Minority educational institution. Understand, Article 29 apply to any section of citizen. Any section of citizen. I have already discussed with you how sometimes Hindi speaking person can move Tamil state and that state treat them as a minority. So any section of citizen. While Article 30 applies only minorities, not any section of citizen. Minorities such as Muslims, Sikh, Jains. Identity protection in Article 29, while Article 30 is related to institutional protection, their educational right. Article 29 include admission rights, how the admission will happen, and Article 30 include stabilization and admission. So here is a memory trick. Article 29 identity, Article 30 institution. Article 29 for all citizens while Article 30 is related to minorities only. Understand? So most common UPSC trap, Article 29 applies only to minority. Wrong. Article 30 applies to all citizen. Wrong. Minority institutions are free from all regulation. Wrong. Article 29 protects only religious minority. Wrong. So I want to summarize in three or four point. Article 29 is related to protection of culture, language, and script of any section of citizen. While Article 29, Clause 2 is related to no discrimination in admission. And Article 30, minorities can stabilize and administer institution. So here I completed the difference between Article 29 and 30. If you have any doubt, you can ask me on Instagram, Telegram, comment box, on YouTube. So I will reply your doubt very clearly. Thank you. Thank you very much.